In this short video, I'm going to show you how to submit your assignments and homeworks on the Hub. This is so that your tutor is able to see the work that you've done, and they'll be able to provide you with some feedback on how you've done in those assignments and homeworks. Make sure that you've done that work independently, and you've completed the work on either a Word document, you've saved it as a PDF, it's a photo, so in case you need to write it down and then take a photo of that document, and lastly, if you have it as a Google Doc on your Google Drive. You can also submit your assignments and homeworks on a mobile device if that's what you need to use, as well as a tablet or a laptop or a computer. It's absolutely fine whichever way you need to do that. So to start the upload, you need to click into the homework or assignment that you wish to upload once you are in the Tasks tab as shown here. So I would like you today to upload my baseline assignment. So if I click on that, I get taken to this page here. I've got a few instructions to follow, and I've also got a due date that my tutor has set for me. If you're a little bit worried about this due date for any reason, just pop your tutor a message and they'll be able to support with that. So ideally, I need to get this completed by the 21st of April. To upload my work, I can either drag or drop it from my File Explorer, click Choose File, if it is a Word, PDF, or a photo, or I can also click Google Drive to upload a file directly from my Google Drive. So to start, I'm going to click Choose File. And from here, I'm going to select the piece of work that I want to upload, which in this case is this file here called Baseline Assignment. If that is the only document you want to upload, that is absolutely fine. You can just click Submit Your Work down here. However, if you would like to upload more than one document, you can upload up to 5 documents here, where you can just click Choose File again and select the second piece that you wish to upload. So for me, I would like to submit a second document, so I'll click Choose File again, and this time it's a PDF. So I'll click Baseline Assignment 2, I'll click Open, and now I can see both of these documents have been successfully uploaded here. I'm just going to double check the instructions to make sure that I'm happy that I've definitely got the correct documents uploaded here, and then I'm going to click Submit Your Work. And that is how you do it. I have a message telling me, well done for submitting my assignment. I'm shown the documents I uploaded, so I can download these and double check that these are definitely the right ones. I am told that my tutor will see it and will write some feedback for me. And also, please do send your tutor a message. Just let them know that you've uploaded your work, and I'm sure they'll be back in touch with you to let you know that they have seen the work that you've done. I am also given the opportunity to remove my files and resubmit them in case I submitted the wrong files or I just want to submit again. Once you click that button, there'll be a pop-up asking me if I'm absolutely sure that I want to submit again, to which I click yes, continue and resubmit my work. And then I can just do it all over again. In this instance, I actually want to upload my file as a Google document. So I'll click on the Google Drive button, and I'll click the account I want to log in with. If this is your first time, they might ask you to put in your password and things and just double check that it's you. But as I've already logged in before, it will now take me to my Google Drive, where I can now select the Scholars Program document, and I'll then click Select and wait for it to upload. Now, it might take a minute, but do not worry, you do not need to do it again. It just might take a little bit of time for your Google Drive to sync to the Hub. And there you go. And there you see that that file is successfully uploaded. I could also drag or drop a file. So for example, if I open up my File Explorer right here, I can take this document and I can drag and drop it here, and immediately it is successfully uploaded. So now that I'm absolutely happy with the assignments I have uploaded, I'm going to click Submit Your Work. And once again, I get the same message again, and I can also download my documents here and just double check that I have the right ones. So like I said, your tutor should be providing you with some feedback for these pieces of work. So they might do that via the chat or in your tutorial. So do keep an eye on the chat in case you get a new message from your tutor. And also just to double check it all went through as it should, you can click back into tasks and you'll now see a big, nice green tick next to baseline assignment, and also a star next to baseline assignment and the date that you submitted it on. And that is exactly what you need to do to upload your assignments and your homeworks. Good luck when you are writing them. I hope you've enjoyed doing it, and I hope that you found this video useful. Thanks, everyone.